A ball. Train, you're putting the train in there too? You need help. Yeah. Okay, here. Let's unzip it a little bit here. Can you pull it? Can you pull that? No, go the other way. Go the other way. Okay. You must be going on a big trip.
Help. Help.
Help, please.
Help me.
Okay, here, look. There you go. Well, you need your shoe on. Let's see, what all do you have in there? You have your sheep and your airplane, a ball, some blocks, a truck, your piano, a Skip-Bo card, very important. Some coloring books. What else is in here? Your sippy cup. Another mat. Okay. All right, Shepherd. Say bye-bye. Are you going? You ready to go? Okay. We were all packed up, ready to go. Say bye-bye. Shepherd, say bye-bye. Okay. Shepherd, say bye-bye.